What's going on, guys? Nick here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Bedford, Texas. Got a beautiful 2017 Harley Davidson Sportster 883 Iron with me today. Bike's got under 1,000 miles. It's in pristine condition, no cosmetic flaws. It's got the charcoal denim paint, which is a flat color, no clear coat. Got the Iron logos right there on the gas tank. 883cc fuel injected V-twin and a 5-speed transmission. It's got mid controls. It's got the new style seat, a solo seat, which is real cushy, real comfortable. No passenger seat, no passenger pegs. Got the staggered blacked out pipes. Great looking wheels, single disc brake really shows it off. Bike's basically brand new. It's got a little over 800 miles. Same with the tires. It's one of our certified pre-owned motorcycles. So it's been through our 32-point pre-delivery inspection. We had a technician test ride it, make sure everything was working correctly. Fix whatever we need to. We didn't have to really do anything to this bike. Just checked it out and make sure everything was good. Again, no cosmetic, no mechanical issues. Got the side mounted plate. Go ahead and check out the mileage. Does have a battery tender pigtail on it. 853 miles. Got a blank canvas, so to speak, so you can give it your own personal touch. We do have a full parts and service department, so any kind of accessory you'd like on there, maybe some exhaust, we can definitely do that for you. If you'd like to know more about this 17 Iron, pick up the phone and call us at 817-985-8888. Matter of fact, that's going to be 888-400-1151. You can also check out our website at cleanharleys.com. I got a full set of detailed pictures. You can also see the rest of our inventory. We do offer financing and warranty options. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes worldwide. This is Nick with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Bedford, Texas. The freedom to choose.